This chapter explains how to assemble the titration cell. Place the titration cell on the magnetic stirrer. Drop the stirrer bar into the cell. Apply fluorine grease to the contact surface of the cell. Place the cell lid on top of the titration cell. Close the cell lid tightly by fastening the clips. Locate the Teflon tubing connected to the out port of the switching valve. Connect the burette tip to the Teflon tubing. First, insert the set screw into the Teflon tubing. Then insert the ferrules. Insert the tubing into the burette tip and fasten the set screw. Do not tighten the set screw too tightly. Pull the tubing gently to make sure it will not come off. Apply the fluorine grease to the contact surface of the burette tip. Insert the burette tip into the hole on the cell lid. Apply the fluorine grease to the contact surface of the indicator electrode. Insert the electrode into the hole on the cell lid. Connect the plug of the indicator electrode to the jack on the right side panel of the titrator. Fasten the thumb screw on the plug. Fill the drawing tube with an appropriate desiccant. Usually, silica gel is used. Attach the drying tube on the cell lid. Do not apply fluorine grease to the drying tube. Apply fluorine grease to the contact surface of the glass stoppers. Attach the stoppers to the cell lid. Completely assembled titration cell looks like this. Each component should fit tightly to the cell lid.